Hello everyone, myself Miss Preeti Shinde. Today we will see the hypothesis, meaning of hypothesis, hypothesis testing, types of hypothesis in this particular session. So what do you mean by hypothesis testing? Basically, hypothesis testing comes under the statistical analysis of data analytics method or statistical methods for data analytics. So what do you mean by statistical analysis, or which are the main features for the statistics that can help answer the questions for data analytics? So statistics helps to model building and planning questions, means it helps to find out the questions on model building and planning. Which are the example question? What are the best input variables for the models? For example, okay. So for a given particular model, we are going to build that particular model. We are going to do first of all planning. So which are the input variables for the model? That is nothing but one simple statistic. Next one is nothing but from model evaluation point of view. So is the model accurate? So that can be given by the statistics itself. For the model deployment, does the model have desired effect? Will it give satisfaction to the customers? So basically this particular topic or this unit going to discuss some useful statistical tools that may answer these particular types of question. Currently for this particular session, for this particular video, we are going to discuss hypothesis testing. So the first statistical method for evaluation is nothing but the hypothesis testing. So what do you mean by hypothesis? It is a supposition or proposed explanation made on the basis of limited evidence at the starting point for further investigation. So initially we have some initial information with us. By using that information as a evidence, by using that information as the starting point, we will do the further investigation for that particular information. Okay. So the technically hypothesis is nothing but an educated guess about something in the world around us. It should be testable either by some experiment or observation. For example, a new medicine you think might work. This is nothing but particular guess. Means if you are going to buy that particular medicine, so before buying that medicine you will think that it might work for the given particular symptoms of disease. A way of teaching you think might be better. Initially, I have taught this particular topic in this way, but currently I am recognizing that this topic can be taught in some another way. This is nothing but the alternate method. Okay, this is nothing but a guess in which the real life things can be think of. So, what is hypothesis statement? Hypothesis statement looks like if then format. Okay, for example, if I, then this particular statement. So in the if statement, do this to an independent variable, means if is independent and the statement present in then is a dependent. So if statement depends means if statement is totally based upon independent variable, and then statement is totally dependent upon first if variable. For example, if I decrease the amount of water given to herbs, then the herbs will increase in size. Second example, if I give patients counseling in addition to medication, then their overall depression scale will decrease. So a good hypothesis statement should, these are some characteristics of the good hypothesis statement. So it should include if-then statement according to the University of California. It should include both independent and dependent variables. Be testable by experiment, means that hypothesis statement should be testable either by some experiment, some survey or other scientifically sound technique. That hypothesis statement should be based on information in prior research. Either that research should be either yours or done by someone else also. That hypothesis should have some design criteria. Okay, so that comes from the point of view of engineering or from a programming projects. So here it is nothing but one example where samples of the two data sets have been distributed. So what do you mean by hypothesis testing then? We come across the meaning of hypothesis, but let us know the meaning of hypothesis testing. When comparing population, such as testing or evaluating the difference of the means from the two samples of data. A common technique to assess the difference or the significance of the difference is hypothesis testing. To find out the difference of the means of the two samples of data, for that purpose, hypothesis testing is carried out. In this particular example, we have two sample set, we have two distributions with us. By observing the mean of those two sample data sets, we can found one hypothesis test by doing the testing on the hypothesis. Next, how exactly hypothesis testing works? First of all, making an assumption called hypothesis, okay, about a population parameter. You have given one population and you have to make an assumption called hypothesis based on that population parameter. Secondly, collect the sample data from that population parameter. Next one, calculate a sample statistic on that sample data. And finally, use that sample statistic to evaluate the whole hypothesis. This is basically a way in which hypothesis testing works. So in front of you there are two types of, there is image. So one part of an image contains population and second part contains sample. So for example, here are some number of samples, what we can say persons are present, and we will pick some random person or we will pick some random people from this population. That random set will be called as a sample set. So the big image is simply nothing but a population of interest, and from that population interest we have picked some random data. That random data is simply called as a sample for the hypothesis testing. So what do you mean by hypothesis testing? It is a basic concept to form assertion and test it with that particular data, to give some particular condition and check the condition by testing with some data. So common assumption is that there is no difference between the sample. Initially we have one sample with us. What assumption we will make about that sample? The assumption is that there is no difference between the samples. So it is nothing but a default assumption. Statisticians refers to this default assumption as a null hypothesis, indicated by H0 or HO. The second hypothesis or the alternative hypothesis HA is that there is a significant difference between samples. So two types of the hypothesis testings are present, means two types of the first one is nothing but the null hypothesis and second one is nothing but the alternate hypothesis. Hence again the hypothesis testings are differentiated: null hypothesis HO, alternative hypothesis HA. So for example, so what do you mean by, which is the example of the null hypothesis and which is the example of alternative hypothesis? If there is a task to identify the effect of drug A compared to drug B on patients, the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis would be like this. So HO means you have given a set of patients and you have to test one drug, one medicine, two types of medicine on that particular set of patients. So by testing both drugs on the set of patients, you will generate or you will give two types of hypothesis, null and alternative. So null hypothesis is drug A and drug B have the same effect on patients, and alternative hypothesis, drug A has a greater effect than drug B. Okay, means in the first hypothesis you assume that both drugs are making the same effect on the patients, and in the alternative hypothesis you may conclude or you may assume that one drug is having a greater effect than the second drug. This is nothing but one simple example where null hypothesis and alternate hypothesis is explained. Second example, if there is a task to identify whether advertising campaign C is effective on reducing customer churn. Okay, so nowadays by making some advertise, the products are going to be sold in large manner, in large quantity, and hence to attract our customers, to attract our buyers for that particular product, the companies are trying to reduce the customer churn. So which are the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis? So HO and HA. HO is that for that particular example, campaign C does not reduce customer churn better than the current campaign method. Means the two campaign methods are tested. Previous campaign C is the first method and the current method, okay, for the campaign C. And what is alternative hypothesis? The alternative hypothesis is nothing but that the current campaign is better than the previous one, okay, and hence campaign C does reduce customer churn better than the current campaign. So these are the two types of hypotheses are there, and hence a hypothesis test leads to either rejecting the null hypothesis in favor of the alternative or will not reject the null hypothesis also. So what is null and alternate hypothesis? Again some examples are given. The null hypothesis is always accepted fact or accepted as being true or the null hypothesis is accepted as it is. Okay. So what is the null hypothesis? What is the accepted fact? The accepted fact is that DNA is shaped like a double helix. Okay. Next accepted fact is that there are 9 planets in the solar system. So this is nothing but the simple null hypothesis. So what is the technical terms for null hypothesis and technical alternate hypothesis? Given a population, the initial hypothesis is to be tested. HO is called the null hypothesis. The initial hypothesis is assumed hypothesis. And second, rejection of null hypothesis causes another hypothesis H1. It is called as a alternative hypothesis. So these are the references referred by me. Thank you.